Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to unlock your Facebook profile on Android. Okay, so this is my Android smartphone, so let's start. So guys, if you have locked your Facebook profile and you want to unlock it, I'm gonna show you in this tutorial. Okay, so what you need to do, you have to open your Facebook app first. So let me find my Facebook app. So here is my Facebook app. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys, it's opened, and you can see I'm already logged into my Facebook account. If you haven't, just log into your Facebook account, and after that just tap on this three horizontal bars, this menu icon over here. So let me tap on this, and here we have this see your profile, this link. Just tap on this. Okay, and you can see guys, my profile page is now opened, and you can see my profile is locked. You can see you locked your profile. Okay, so in order to unlock it, what you need to do, you have to tap on this three dots over here, this button. So let me tap on this, and I have this profile settings, this is screen opened, and here we have this unlock profile. Just tap on this. Okay, and you can see we have this screen opened, your profile is locked. Okay, so here we have this unlock button. Okay, so what you need to do, you have to tap on this unlock button. So let me tap on this, and I have this screen opened, unlock your profile, and here we have some message. Let's read that. When you unlock your profile, your settings will return to the way they were when you locked your profile on July 30th 2020. Okay, so this date might be different in your case. Okay, I locked my profile on July 30th 2020, that's why it's showing over here. So any changes you made after you locked your profile will stay the same. And here we have this message, how unlocking works. More people may see the photos and posts on your timeline. More people may see your full-size profile picture and cover photo. Okay, you can share photos and posts with anyone. And if you want to learn more about this, how unlocking works, you can just tap on this learn more in the help center link. Okay, so here we have this button at the bottom, unlock your profile. Just tap on this. Okay, it's unlocking, so we need to wait. You can see I have this message, you unlocked your profile. More people may see the photos and posts on your timeline. So just tap on this OK, this button, and you can see guys, we don't have any message over here that your profile is locked. Okay, so it's now unlocked. So that's it guys. In this way you can easily unlock your Facebook profile on Android. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks, bye bye.